Okay, let's do a quick tutorial over scientific notation. So, scientific notation is some number that is less than 10, so digits 1 through 9, times 10 base to an exponent. Now, the exponent can be positive or negative, and that determines whether it's a large number or if it's a small meaning decimal. It's not small meaning negative number, okay? So it is written like this. These are all written in scientific notation. The reason that these can be identified as scientific notation is because you can see there is the first digit that is 1 through 9, and then there is a decimal, and then there's digits that are after it, and then times 10 with an exponent that is an integer. It can only be a positive or a negative, and it can be 0, the definition of integers, okay? So take a look at these in scientific notation. 6.854 times 10 to the first. And 10 to the first is fine because that is a base of 10 and an exponent that is an integer. 2.2 times 10 to the negative 4. Negative 4 is fine. That is an integer. 6.49 times 10 to the 0. 0 is fine. That is actually the same as multiplying by 1, if you recall, okay? And then we have 4.9 times 10 to the negative 3. All right, now this is what we refer to as standard form, okay? So if you recall in the past, we have done and read 35,400,000, negative 402, 5, and this, of course, we would read as its decimal place. So tenths, hundredths, thousandths, 10,000ths, 100,000ths, millions. So this is 826 millions, okay? So now that you see how scientific notation looks in standard form and scientific notation form, you are ready to change standard to scientific and scientific to standard. And that will be in the next video.